inspiration today is this birthday card. It has all of these beautiful springy colors and I love the combination. So that's what's going to be reflected in my paints today. My acrylic paint mixed with a little bit of Floetrol and mainly my Liquitex acrylic pouring medium today, high gloss. And this color I had to mix special because I didn't have that color, but I love the way it looks. And I have these adorable little canvases that are 3 by 9, and I'm going to be doing a flower dip technique today. Now, this little white piece you see here is just a tile that I'm going to be using in the dip process. It's going to be kind of like my dip pad here since it's slightly larger, and I'm going to be putting my acrylic paints down on the tile and then doing my dip. I am using titanium white as my base color today because of it being spring. I didn't think black would work very well for this, or a dark color. We want this to be light and airy because I'm feeling a little bit of spring fever today. You may have seen me use this tool before. It's just a silicone brush and I had it handy, so I'm just using it to spread my white paint around before I start applying my color and making my spring flowers. Now I'm going to be starting out with my lighter orange color, and I'm just going to be putting some dots down and creating my flower, actually a series of flowers all the way around that I'm going to dip my little tiny cute little canvases in. Okay, it's migrating a little bit, so I'm just going to move it back into place. Just going to tilt it just a little bit on my silicone mat here. And now we get to the fun part and we can dip our little 3 by 9 canvas. Okay, so here we go. Just going to place it right over the top. My design's a little bit larger than this canvas as it's spread quite a lot in making it. So I'm just going to press it down. And then I'm just going to lift it up and see what I get as my print here. Okay, there we are. And here is my first print. I'm just going to place it up here, and then I will show you a close-up of that one. And you can see it. I love the colors. It's a very abstract flower, but it's very springy. I do like it, but let's make another print. This is the kind of cool that we got down here on the tile. And yeah, let's do another one. It kind of reminds me of a vine. Now I think I'm going to add some color to this. I've got my other little canvas right here, and I'm going to just add very quickly for you, very slowly for me, a little extra color. Okay, so let's get this canvas in there. I don't have a lot of crisp lines here, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press this second little canvas in there. I can't resist here. Kind of hard to get in there with your fingers when you've got such a small canvas, but we'll give it a shot and pull it and see what we get as a print off of it. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, this one might be better, more vertical, I think, versus horizontal. I do like the kind of leaf action going on. We'll have to see how this one develops over time. I'll give it a quick torch, and then we'll take a look at them. Torch it just a little bit. The other ones had some time to develop. Okay, here's what I ended up with. Kind of like sky and clouds on this one, but yeah, I don't know. You have to let me know what you see. I think I like the first one better, but yeah, this has just been a fun little experiment. Something to do if you get spring fever. Give it a try. Find some inspiration in the beauty of nature. And here they are, dry. I might have to buy some more of these little canvases and try again. But thanks for watching this little experiment, and thanks for joining me this beautiful spring day. Until next time, bye now.